Zambia's Dr. Mahimbo officially endorsed for AfDB presidency by Sabc and Komesa Lusaka, Zambia, February 15, 2025. Sandabina mashoko abdanyuka panapa tinokuti aiwa mukomana akaenda Hichilema yesterday aiwa osangana aiwa nemutungamiriri wenyika yeZimbabwe aiwa vaimazomunangagwa vanozikanwa kuti vakomana ava vane tension pakati pavo, but yesterday vosangana kuAddis Ababa ndovasubscribe like on the bell icon. Tipina panapa muzimbabwe unoenda chiti Dr. Samuel Munzele Mahimbo is officially endorsed as the candidate for the presidency of the African Development Bank (AfDB) by both the Southern African Development Community (SADC) and the Common Market for Eastern and Southern Africa (COMESA). In a significant diplomatic development, Zimbabwe's President Emmerson Mnangagwa has previously been at the odds with Zambia, extended his support to Dr. Mahimbo during a joint press conference on Saturday night. The endorsement also came from Burundi's President Evariste Ndayishimiye and Zambia's President Hakainde Hichilema, solidifying regional backing for Mahimbo's candidacy. Mnangagwa, who has been accused of undermining Zambia's leadership, appeared notably subdued during the announcement. Analysts suggest that his decision to support Dr. Mahimbo could be part of a broader effort to regain political legitimacy both at home and within the region. The joint press conference, held with noticeable physical distance between Mnangagwa and Hichilema, marked a rare moment of cooperation between the two leaders. With this sole regional endorsement, Dr. Mahimbo is now positioned as a frontrunner in the AfDB presidential race, reinforcing Zambia's influence in continental financial leadership. The development is expected to shift dynamics with the AfDB leadership race as Zambia strengthens its position in African economic diplomacy. Tomashiko anoonekwa panapa kuti aiwa mutungamiriri wenyika yeZimbabwe vanhu akaenda Hichilema ungano unozikanwa kuti aiwa vakaremerana kumugano. Kukipa distance kwavaita kangoratidza kuti aiwa apa pana progress inoitika, but panapa tinoona Dr. Mahimbo aiwa achiitwa the president weAfDB. Panapa iachievement atinoona kuti Zambia has gained. Tudze mafungiro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi? Nakume section medu, tsona subscribe, like, turn on the bell icon.